Hey, I was gonna make another video, and I forgot to tell you all in all my other videos that all the ammo that I been running, has been Wolf or Tula, either one. Most time it's been Wolf lately in my ARs. So the rare breed is running with steel case ammunition. I use it all the time, and I've never had any problems out of it. And I want to run a little bit more today. I've done a little bit more work on this rare breed that's in this one, just to slow the rate of fire down a little bit, because it really wants to sling them out of this 16-inch barrel. But anyways, I also run steel case in my pistol too. And I got some in my that's my 700 Remington 308. I put the Magpul stock, hunter stock and stuff on it. I really like it. I'm gonna shoot this with the Wolf steel case ammo in it. I got a steel target up there about, I don't know if I can show it to y'all or not. Let's see. You might can see it up there. I believe it's about right through, well, I can't get my camera to do it. Right through there. Ain't much on these videos, but I'm trying. All right, here we go. Do a few single taps. Finally hit. That's about 75 or 100 yards. Doing good. I'm gonna make dump the rest. Bolt lock back. It's running good. I believe a lot of the trigger spring that was messing up on everybody, I believe a lot of that was a lot of hype. I have done the little mod to it to make it where it can't pinch the spring. But what I've come to find out, I think it's about more of people's boat carrier groups. And also, if y'all have seen the video, I don't know if you have or not, that if you got a boat carrier group in yours that is this is one of the nickel boron Palmetto State Armory boat carrier groups. Man, it's in there. I got one of those wedges that tightens my upper and lower together. Just a second. Let me get it apart so I can show y'all what I mean. Okay. See there's my wedge I put in. Them works. But anyway, they say that there's my boat carrier. They say that the gap between here is what matters the most. And if it's binding up your spring, and if you do have the wrong boat carrier, they say that your upper will not close on your lower right. I forgot how they said that if it's hard to press together. I forgot. Y'all have to look it up. It's on somebody's video. They had it, and the guy, he was measuring the distance in between that gap in the boat carrier that I was showing you. And anyway, they said that if you had an out of spec boat carrier, it was pinching that little dong, the little thing, you know, the ain't really sear, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, it was pushing it too far forward, and that was what was pinches people's springs. So I don't know, but I think, like I said, I don't know if I mentioned it to y'all, my spring, it was fine. Mine wasn't pinched, and I had no damage on it when I did do the little mod to mine, but I'm glad I done the mod to it. It's better safe than sorry. But I believe there's links out there now for people's to get them some springs. So if that's all the problems we got is a little spring, I believe we'll be all right with our triggers. Now we just have to keep the old anti-gunners away from us. But I figured I'd make a little short video and tell y'all about the steel case ammo I always run through mine. It's hard to come by these days, and I keep my brass for a rainy day. But I'll catch you guys later.